Okay, well, maybe I don't sound like him. My friends say I do sound like him at least a little. So that gave me an idea. Today, we're going to be doing a bit of redstone. Now, it's nothing much, but today I'm just thinking about creating a 2x2 piston door, I think. I mean, I've never done redstone before, and the most I've ever done is like a simple little, I don't know, hopper system. Oh my god, what is this, Sue? Now, I'm very bad at redstone. In fact, I've barely ever done redstone. It's one of those ores in Minecraft that I just pass by, like copper, since I never use it. Although I am planning on using copper soon. So, basically, redstone's the only one I always pass on because I never use it. But that's going to change today, so let's get started. What the hell is a heavy-weighted pressure plate? I've never... Is this iron? I think it is. Blackstone. When was that even a pressure plate? Right, so I think I've got the blocks I need, although I'm not completely sure yet, so I'm going to just try and make a 2x2 piston door. Right, I'm pretty sure I need to do that. And this. This part is relatively simple. I can do that. And then I just need to activate both at the same time. So, pretty sure I can do something like this. Yeah, that works. Since that activates gives a pulse. I don't know what any of this does, but it works, so that's good. That's a good start. Now I just have to make it so when I press on these pressure plates here, it would deactivate. Like this. No, how do I turn it off? Wait. Okay, it isn't as simple as that. Right. Maybe I can do something like this instead. This work? So, no, I mean, it's not connected to anything. Maybe I can do something like this. How would I turn off that? Would it be with like another... Ah, I see. So, wait. Let me look at this. No, that's powered. So if I place a redstone torch here, and then do that. No, because that's turned off. Wait, so I need somehow do this on one side. Right. I need these two. So I need it to be already open with both. I mean, that works. But how do I make it power off? So, and then I want to press... Right. I see. I've done this before once, I think, in a survival world, but I had my friends to help me. So, I'm a bit confused on what to do. I'm pretty sure there's meant to be, like, more stuff here. I swear there's... No, that doesn't even turn it on. No? That does it. That's not on. And if I do that... Oh, wait, I think we're getting somewhere. So if I do this, link it all the way up here. So it does one. And then it does the other. Right. So once if I... No, because that's powered on now. So do I want... No, because that only powers one. So I've gotten one half. So what if I do this? No, because that's just... And that's done that. Right. I need to do it again. But I can't... That's a really weird... I don't know what I've done here, but it's delayed as well. Yeah, I need to somehow make it that this block also... So it's because when I press on this, it gets a little signal which activates this block. But it's already activated. And then this turns off, so this part works normally. How do I get it to... Does placing something above do anything? And then... I don't know what I'm doing. See, I'm not doing it with any redstone videos, so I'm kind of just winging it and hoping it works. Maybe this needs like, what are they called? Not comparator, like, let me see, a repeater. Do I need a repeater? This work? No, because that's only gonna delay that. Interesting. Let's see. So, what if I make it go up and do this instead? I don't know why. To be honest, I don't know what I was thinking here. Maybe I can do this. Still a redstone signal. Does it work if there's like no redstone signal here? No, that did nothing. Interesting. To be fair, I don't know what I've created here. Maybe something like that turns off. Can I place redstone? I can't. Just gonna see what this does. It does nothing. That turns. Hello? Let's see. Because I need it to be shut. But I need both to just turn off when... No? Right, I see. Do I need to put redstone on top on here? Like... Does it need to... Because that powers it on. Oh, you don't even need the redstone on top. So that's easy. Like, to do that. But how do I invert it? Inverting's the hard part. Oh, no, I've just removed a piston. Oops. Nope. Uh-huh. Okay. There we go. Sideways doesn't do anything. And this isn't even connected. Maybe I need to put a little more room? No, I've just recreated the same thing, but on this side instead. Right, maybe there's something else I need to, like, know of. Maybe I can put, like, a block here. Would that do something? How do I make it so that maybe I can... And then... I have no idea what I'm doing. Yeah, that turns off. Let me put a repeater here so I can put a delay on so I can just see. Yeah, so that turns off, but that's still activated. So how do I deactivate that? Maybe I can connect it like this? Wait, no, because that's not even extended. So I need that there. I need to turn this block. But I need something here. So what would... There's absolutely nothing. I mean, this does absolutely nothing, but when I have it inverted... See, I'm not good at redstone at all. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't even... It's like coding and computer stuff. I don't even know why I've picked it for my GCSEs, but it clearly isn't working out for me right now. I swear I remember making this work once. I don't know what it was. No, because that does nothing. What about, like... No, because that's not powered on. How do I... No? I swear I need something that goes, like, up here. Maybe we can get redstone there. And, like... Does that not do anything? Right, I don't think I'm meant to be doing any of this. So how... I swear it's like... Maybe like this? Would putting it inverted work? And then get like a block? Let's do that. That stops one. That doesn't do anything. Right. So... If I... Also, a bit of a pause. I need to turn this off. So that's doing that. Wait, wait, what did I create there? What? I'm so confused. Is it meant to be doing that? Right. So that, I think I've just made it more complicated because this is, it's not done anything. Let's try. How do I turn this one off? I see. So that turns off if I do a straight line like that. Once if I get another one and I connect it up to the back here. No, because that's now on again because it's connected. So once if I make like a small circuit around here. I did it! Wait. Oh, it actually works. I don't think it's meant to be like this. But now it's wired to work. But now I just need to make it somehow on the other side. Right, how about I first make it here? Yeah, so that would go in. That means I can just... Good. We can do that. And I'm taking a guess I can just do the same thing by invert. I don't think I need any of these to be blocks. I think I could just do this. Think that would work? Yeah, that works. I don't really know what the logic stuff is, but it works, it works. And I guess I just do it on the same side, the other side. Yeah, I can do it 2 blocks. Let's see. So just connect this up like that. Redstone. And should work. Because it works on the other side. Very good. We have a dancing spider on top of one of my pistons. Go away, please. Go. I'm trying to make redstone here. I see why Mumbo now sets all of his worlds to daytime permanently in these redstone videos, because I don't really know what these guys are doing. They shouldn't really interfere, I hope. But I've replicated it on one side, so shouldn't be too hard on the other. It's just 2 blocks here with redstone torches. Then 3 blocks, 1 block there, with redstone on top. Connected like that. And boom, that should be working. Do I need to have a redstone signal there, though? Okay, so it needs to be on top. Okay. So I've got it to work. Yeah, I think that's it. So this is... Oh. Yeah, I gotta press both pressure plates. Not press, I need to be standing on both for it to be working. But it works. It is really wide though, and I don't think this is the design most people usually go for, but it works. And it works on both sides. My biggest question now is, how would I make it that I only need to press on one side to deactivate the other side? Could I put a block on top? No, I just deep fried the circuit. What? Okay, no, that's back on now. So, if I did that. Right, how would... Yeah, because that would keep turning on and off. I want it to work normally somehow. No, that's not going to work. So to get both sides to... I just need to link it up somehow. I mean, what I can do is I can just make it one pressure plate. I mean, that works easy peasy. But then it's not really symmetrical, as you can see here. It's a bit wonky. I mean, this is the easy fix. But how would we do it where both pressure plates work? So I can step on this side, that also goes retracts back. And if I step on this side, same goes here. Would I need to do something on the side, maybe? Like this? No, because you can't put redstone there. Would it still work? Yeah, it still works. And maybe like that. No, the door's just retracted. I don't want that. What if I just make it run over the top? It still works, that's good. And if I connect it on the other side, it hopefully works. It doesn't go that far. So, what if I put a repeater here? No, because a repeater seems to break it. So, would the signal go up here, is the question. It should. Oh, it did it briefly. That's good. So, what if I put it after? No, it's just opened the other side. I've inverted the system. So, what if I put... No, because that's not... Can that... No, that doesn't work at all. Maybe I just need to make this, you know, a little longer here, this way. Okay, maybe I have to replicate on the other side as well. Like that. Nope. That doesn't work. Does a signal get that far? Yeah, it does. Does it have to be repeater on both sides? No, the repeater breaks. I don't really know what's going on here. Well, the main thing is I got the door to work. As long as you... Holding this. Well, I guess what I can work on instead is somehow to hide this. Which shouldn't be too hard. It's as simple as just lowering the redstone down. Like that. And it still works. Fine. Oh, wow. I might want to probably add like a bit of a extender. Like this. That do anything? Ow. I don't think it does. Oh no, it does add a slight delay. And if I do that... Ooh. Wait, now... Can I do it from sprinting? No. Okay, so... I want to add a slight delay, just so you can have enough time to... Actually, no, I wanted to... What I think I wanted to do is open and then make it stay open for a little longer. No, that doesn't do anything. So these turn off. Wonder if it's a redstone going this way. So, inverted. No, because then it won't go through. So it is only a one-way system. Well, I guess we can have these here for now. Just add a slight delay. Ow. I think. Let me try it. I mean, it's just unnecessary redstone, but if it looks slightly fancier, it's better. Right? Oh, oops. Place that with an iron block. Do it on the other side as well. And then I should just be able to do this. Yeah, I think you could do it while sprinting. Yeah, quite comfortably. That's good. And I guess I'll just do a little bit of decoration now. And just like that, it's really simple. It's nothing much, but it's just to make it feel more practical, I guess. Like an actual 2x2 piston door. So we can walk through and go inside, where we have our little storage room. And inside here, we can have whatever we want, like an iron hoe and a boat. Also just noticed I didn't actually... Oh. Didn't actually fill this part in. But yeah, that's it. I did redstone today. Woohoo! And if you guys actually wonder what am I on about sounding a bit like Mumbo Jumbo, according to my friend, in this clip, my humming sounds a bit like Mumbo Jumbo. And yep, there we go. I don't see it though myself. I never really did.